Here is our new Pro Master with our Tempest conversion. So you'll see there is the front. One of the big benefits of this vehicle is you can get a dual sliding doors. So very cool. Can't get that on most vehicles, especially mid to full size vehicles, but this has it. It has a SlideAway lift installed. The benefit of the SlideAway is you can have the post stowing on the seat pillar, which you can get inside, outside the vehicle without having to deploy it. Also lets the front passenger recline their seat for comfort. The Tempest has a beautiful interior. This is your package right here. They do offer a high top version as well. And those people who want more room, more seating, more weight capacity, they want to tow something, it's a great option for them. This is the leather package. It has Bluetooth, a backup camera, 6-way adjustable seats. Great package here. The nice thing is lots of storage in the back too. You can pull this up here. Little stowage there for you. It's got the nice commercial flooring to it. Just a nice package overall. As you can see, I just walked in, walked out both sides. So great for families. Great for somebody who wants to tow something. It's still front wheel drive, which is great for traction. Get nice in the back here. We got room in the back for stowage stuff. Let me open this up here. Lots of room underneath here, if you can see. For people who have questions on families and luggage and stowage and all that stuff. So lots of room down here. Again, seat belts for 4 in the back. You do have the option of doing middle seats. So if you wanted to put another middle seat back there for a sibling or some caregiver, you can do that as well. So it's a great package. We'll be selling lots of these things. So there's your Pro Master with a Tempest conversion.